So today I'm gonna do a box opening of Moresoo, Moresoo hair extensions. The only reason why I'm doing this is because they are completely misleading with their shipping time. So they said, and I even went back and looked at their website. It said they will ship within 3 to 5, or it will arrive within 3 to 5 days. It's been almost 3 weeks, and I had to miss my hair appointment. And there's two things that I hate missing: is my hair appointment and my Botox appointment. So I'm doing this so people out there know that don't believe that you're gonna get your stuff in 3 to 5 days. Like I said, it's been 3 weeks. I did open this part, but that's it, because I wanted to see if that's what it was in here. I ordered, it's supposed to be a mix of, I don't remember the numbers exactly, but I ordered a 14-inch, a 16-inch, and an 18-inch. And, must have been shortage on boxes there. They're so crammed in here. This is how they have them crammed in here. So I think they said they're supposed to be 50-gram packets, which this is not my first rodeo. So thank God that 50 grams. Thank God that I bought 3 packs, because I usually only use like one weft, and then I just cut it up myself into pieces. This is a 18/22/60 tape-in, which, I mean, it'll match my hair okay, but it looked a lot cuter in the picture, that's for sure. So let's see what it feels like. Sorry, I'm trying to hold my phone and do this. This is the 18-inch. It does feel a little heavier. And this, but still, 50 grams is 50 grams, so it shouldn't be heavier. And this one is the 14-inch. I'm gonna put my phone down for a second and pull this out. I don't know if you can see it or not. So it's actually pretty soft, super thin, like real thin. But for the price, I noticed like they have a bunch of different websites. They all have the same products on it. They all look the same. They just have different names. So when I found the ones I wanted, they were double the price on one of their other websites. I paid $147 for all 3 of these, which I probably got a little bit more hair than I would have with my normal Remy Gold I usually use. The only thing is that it did say that it was supposed to blend down all the way to a 60. So this should have blended down and then been like almost white at the tips, which these 2 colors really look the same. Doesn't look like it really blended down like it was supposed to. Other than that, I guess they're okay. We'll see. They're tape-ins. We'll see how they hold up. Let me see how the individual one is. I mean, they're about the same as like when I bought tape-ins at Sally's. Those ones are pretty thin too. So they're about the same as that. So I guess for the price, I mean, they don't feel bad. They don't look exactly like the picture did, but I can work with it. I just wish that they didn't lie about the shipping time, because I missed my hair appointment, like I said earlier, just pretty aggravating. And also, anything that comes, apparently came from overseas, you have to sign for, which can be super inconvenient. I've learned that, like, if you do it through FedEx, you absolutely have to sign. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But if you find a place that ships through DHL, you can go on the DHL website and waive your signature by leaving like a signature release on your door. But it ended up passing it to my post office anyways, and they delivered it and just dumped it in the mailbox. So, hope this was helpful to somebody. Bye.